Hillbilly Natural, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yes, guys, episode 123, and it's gonna be a good one today, guys. It's gonna be a good one. Hope everyone is doing well. I appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me. If you're not subbed up to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you aboard. But anyways, good day to get this little baby out, given to me by a good dear friend of mine over there across the pond. So shout out to him. Had this in the reserve for quite a while, and I thought it'd be a good day to get it out. And I think you guys will see why. You may already know in the title. Look at that little beauty. What you guys think about that? Very nice. I love a Stockman right there. I love it. I love it. You know me, guys. I love multiple blades. Always a good thing. And before we get into this, had another one of these drop into me, so I figured we'd give you guys a little peep. A little peep. It's a factory second. So let you guys take a peek at this really quick. One more mount of olive wood here. I haven't really looked at this very much, but not quite as sticky as the other one. This is a factory second. You can see there. Very nice, very nice. I really haven't seen why it's a factory second. A little proud there, but that's not a huge issue. There's that in there, but I'm not sure that that's a crack. I don't know. It looks like it's in the wood, but maybe it is a crack. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I guess that could be a crack. That may be the issue with it. Just thought I'd get that little baby out before we get going here. So here we go. Now I've got to be careful with this because this permanent marker here isn't really dry, so it's better than it was. And I've been eating oranges, guys, so excuse the fingernail there. Let's get into this, guys. Let's get into this. Open her up here. Oh, and I just love when they tape them into the inside. There we go. Oh yeah, guys, here we are. What you think about that? There you go. Boy, they don't do this anymore, do they? Look at that. You can pause that if you want to read all that. Oh yeah. Ready? I'm ready. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Is that a real GEC knife or what? Vintage 2012. Look at this, guys. Number 4. It's messed up my camera to keep shutting off. Anyways, the pull. It's just, it's so crisp and clean. So snappy. Look at that. They don't make them like this anymore. And that's my only real issue with GECs nowadays is they're kind of light. The pulls are always kind of light. I've seen some Northwoods that are pretty good, especially the little like 25 frames. That pull is probably a 7.5. This one's probably close to it, probably an 8. I would have to put this big one an 8. Yeah, that's an 8 right there. 7.5 to 8 is where I like them. You know, there's a few that I like light if it's like a single blade and it's kind of long or whatever. I don't mind it being a little light. This right here, this is a home run right here. Let's see what this one is. This one is, that's about a 7 right there. So a 7. The Big Daddy here, the 8, is it's a solid 8 right there. It doesn't get much better than that. And then you got this clip here. And that is it's a 7.5 right there in my opinion. Wipe these blades off and we're gonna let you guys check this out. I believe we've made history. In my opinion, this is the best knife I've had on this channel. I'm in love with it. Look at that. We got a lot going on down here, but that's perfection, guys. Those transitions are kind of catching my nail right there on that corner. Nothing there. Beautiful stag. Catching my nail right there a little bit. Yeah, they kind of catch my nail right there. So transitions, just a tad proud, just a tad. It's not much at all. Man. Human XLD. Look at that. And she's tight. She's tight. I'm speechless, guys. I'm speechless. This is the best GEC knife I've held. You guys know I've had a lot through my hands. Let me wipe this blade again. That's perfection right there. Those liners need to be polished up a little bit, but this is perfection. Look at that fat stag. Look at that. And here comes the garbage truck. Okay, hopefully the garbage truck is gone now. We've witnessed history today. And she's got some weight to her. Doesn't bother me. I tell you, I get to bring you folks some cool stuff. This one's gonna be hard to let go of because it is not mine. We'll give you the cutting edge here if we can. Right there. There's your cutting edge. There's your overall there. beautiful piece right here. This is a true pocket queen. If I had the coinage, right now, guys, I'd make an offer. I tell you, I would. Look at that. There's your cutting edge right there. There's your overall. Just sounds amazing too. You can feel it. You know, when you pick something up and you can feel quality, that's what I feel in this. And that's not putting down GC. I mean, you feel quality in GC knives, but it's here on this one. You know it. There's your cutting edge there. There's your overall. Got airplanes coming over. Open her up here. Yeah, those are the same length, so we'll just go ahead and close that one. Look at that, opened up like that. That's awesome. And we're just a touch over 8 3/4 there. Right at, no, we're just a little bit under 8 3/4. Just under 8 3/4. What do you guys think about that? What a 79 right there. I knew this video was gonna be good, but I didn't know it was gonna be this great. Man, let me know what you guys think about this one. Is it history? Did we make history today? It's gonna be hard to let go of, I tell you. But she has a home she needs to go to. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. Sub up to the channel if you're not subbed up. You can't see all these awesome videos. And we're going to log this one in the history books, guys. Peace.